All right guys, we're back. We've made some modifications to the engine bay, and one of those being the HKS blow-off valve. The key thing about this is it's on the manual transmission, so we're gonna go drive it. I have not driven it myself, so I'm gonna see how this is. It should be a lot better than it was on the automatic transmission that we've already showed you. So the engine bay looks a little bit different. We changed the Cusco brace because the Cusco brace has an interference with this. It's gonna come up and come real close to this HKS brace. We're gonna talk to HKS tomorrow. We've already informed Cusco about the fitment, and these two parts should work together. So I don't know if there's gonna be any changes or not, no promises there. But now we have the HKS braces on, and it looks a lot better with the carbon on the sides. It does feel a little empty here in the middle, in my opinion, but there's gonna be more changes. We're gonna be taking this off, we're gonna be switching this later, but I wanna give you the true sound of this blow-off valve with no other modifications on the car. So this is just a stock airbox cover from our friends over at MV Specialties. So this car is basically stock. So let's go for a ride. Okay guys, I'm just dialing this in a little bit. These are always a little tricky. It's a little different on the manual. I can't get it to be really consistent based on RPM. So again, this is why we're doing this. We're testing this. So right now I have the timer, which is the opening of the blow-off valve, to be pretty quick. So that's when I'm on throttle and when I'm back off. So the whole thing is you want this to go from here to here to here. So let's just see how this sounds. I'm gonna set this down here. And let's go. So with the windows closed, you can barely hear it. Let's get this window open and see if you can hear it again. And maybe I need to adjust the timer again a little bit. Let's see what we get. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but just on normal driving, it opens up for just a quick second. But on like a full throttle pull, it sounds a lot better. But it also does it like kind of like at low RPMs too. So just a different sound at the different RPM levels and stuff, which I think is pretty cool because you're gonna get the sound while you're daily driving. And then if you do a full throttle pull or anything like that, and in between the gears, it's just gonna go off. So let's get on the main road here a little bit. Let's obey our speed. Let's see. All right guys, so that about wraps this video up. I really like this product. It sounds a lot better on the manual. It's just, you know, it happens with every gear and every throttle pull. So I think it's gonna be better served on a manual car. It's just more fun. So I highly recommend this if you have an MT, A90 or A91 car. Thanks a lot guys, stay tuned and subscribe to any more content.